Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talking about the interfaces and the abstract class in the PHP. The class that is fully abstract, which is called an interface. Any class that's implement this interface must use implements keywords. And all the methods that are derived in the class must be defined here. The abstract class is the way of hiding the informations in the abstractions, and there should be at least one method that must be declared but not defined. The class that's inherit this abstract class need to define that method. There must be an abstract keywords that must be returned before the class of it. The interface where the interfaces support the multi-level inheritance or a multiple inheritance, and the abstract class didn't support the multiple inheritance. This is a key benefit between the interface and the abstract class. The interface does not contains the data, but abstract class contain the data members. But on the other hand, interface doesn't contains the data member. Interface does not contain the container, but abstract class contains containers. The members of the interface cannot be static, but on the other hand, the only complete members of the abstract class can be static. Remember that. Here I have to show you about the interface and the abstract class in the coding area. Here you can see that we already studied about the interface and abstract class, and we had used that. Now here you can see that I have to write interface. This is interface right here, which is a keyword. Then here you can see that I just write, let's suppose the interface here is ABC. This is my first type of interface. Then if you want to declare one another interface, so you have to write XYZ, okay? Or if you want to add one other interface here, so ABCD here. So this is up to you. You can add any of the interface right here. Now here you can see that if you want to define the interface right here, so you have to write interface. Then here you have to write, let's suppose the interface ABC. Then that will extend one of the other interface, like here you can see that is extend interface, and the interface here is, sorry, here I have to write that this is XYZ. Then here you can see that ABCD. So you can see here I am just extending these types of interfaces right here. So this is up to you. You can write any of the interface. So this means that here I just used a multiple inheritance right here. So this is just a concept of the multiple inheritance in that. You already used abstract class as well. So declaring of the abstract class here is, you can see that you have to simply write abstract. Then here you have to write class, and then let's suppose the class here is animal. So you have to write that like this. And you can also use the abstract function as well. Okay, so here you can see that this is abstract, this is abstract, and the abstract here is the function, and the function here is, let's suppose this is XYZ function. So you can also use your function like that into the abstract class. Okay, hope so you understand now that what is the difference between the abstract class and the abstract function. So this is just a lecture for the overview of the abstract class and the implementations of the interface and abstract class together. Hope so you understand now. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.